Hey guys, welcome to Desi Martini, and I am Xenia. And today we have with us an amazing actress who has made her presence felt in web, in films, and in TV. We are talking about Flora Saini. Hi Flora, welcome to Desi Martini.
Hi, Xenia. Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes, Flora, your new film is coming up, Darban. So, how did you get Darban? How are you feeling now that it's releasing?
Well, it's a lovely feeling. We've waited so long from the time that uh, Sir Bipin Sir, the director of the film, actually told us the story to the time that we shot, completed, released also. And the worst is when everything was set, 4th of April we were to release, and 22nd March ko lockdown ho gaya, and we
Yes.
were like, oh, this close, that was like, oh God, oh, I don't know how Bipin sir handled that, because if we could feel the कि oh my God, we were so close. एक हफ्ते बाद हो जाता, we were almost would have released, but then I think everything happens at its own time for the best of reasons, and he knows the best timing. So no complaints. I think
True.
now that everybody is at home, I think we are going to have a larger audience watching the film, because everybody does have time. You can't say कि यार time नहीं मिला film देखने का, या we were busy.
Huh.
Everybody has time and everybody wants more content. Lockdown में इतना exhaust हो गया ना सब कुछ कि people wait कि
Hmm.
नया क्या आ रहा है, let's lap it up. So I think the best time that we're
Absolutely.
releasing, no complaint.
Yes, perfect. Also, do you think like it was supposed to be a theatrical release? Now it's releasing on OTT. Are you happy with this decision?
But you know what? Had Corona not happened, I
Hmm.
we won't be talking about this also, Ahena. But given that this is the new normal and people are still kind of apprehensive, even though the theaters are opening up, thoda sa apprehension to hai. Like my mom would not let me step out and go watch a movie. She doesn't let me step out and go have coffee with my friends. Not at the time being, she's like, let the vaccine come, be a little more. So parents will always worry. I can give an excuse and run in, but so I think your health is most important, especially given the times that we are in. And this is the new normal. So
Right.
I can't really comment on that. Sabhi to aisa kar rahe hain. So I think safety first.
True. Yes, of course. Also, we can watch with everyone, so that's a bonus at our own sweet
Yeah.
time, not like there are slots. So it's all perfect
True.
that way.
Yeah.
Yes. So Flora, tell us about the character that you are playing in Darban.
So I'm playing a mom. Actually, the reason that I'm saying I'm playing a mom is because I've forgotten the name of the character. So otherwise, I would have told you the name of the character. I'm playing a mom in the film, and somebody uh, who recently has had a child, and बच्चा जब आपका नया हो या कितना भी age का हो, a mom is always attached. Those 9 months really give a soul connection to the mom and child. So, how one day and one negligence basically changes things around, and uh, how her rest of her life is affected, and uh, I think it's been beautifully written. Uh, the kind of work that Bipin sir has taken out of us is also like, I'm so proud. And just say, we were just talking ki जो डिले हुआ दरबान के रिलीज में, इन अ वे फॉर माय,
Hmm.
if I think about my life, I always look up and thank God कि there is a little divine intervention, because last जितना भी आप recent मेरा काम देखोगे, people have this thing that, oh, glamorous role है तो फ्लोरा को ले लो, glamorous role है तो फ्लोरा को, that's been the general thing. But
Hmm.
this really is um, I wouldn't say a speed breaker, but yes, I really want people to sit up and take notice. Ki, no, yeah, she did Stree, she did Gandibat, she did Darban. So there is a range, there is a variety, and again in Darban there is an age lapse. There's a time lapse. So I am a younger mom
Right.
to somebody who's lost her kid, and then 10, 11, 12 साल पता नहीं 20 साल निकल जाते हैं बीच में. So I think it was what an experience this has been, and so much to learn.
Right. When you're saying there's so much to learn, I'm guessing that you had a blast with your co-stars on the sets of the film.
Co-stars, yes. I'll tell you what. There are many things that I learned. I learned why Bipin sir has won a national award for all his films. It's only when you work with a master who knows his craft in and out, you realize what you've been missing and what is that little difference that makes, itna farak. So when you see the age,
Right.
age lapse, time lapse, there are two kinds of aging that people go through. One is a happy aging. If you've not had any problems, happy marriage, happy bachas, you will age different. If you experience loss and grief, you age a little different. You could have a smiling face, but you don't smile so much, right? Your wrinkles also go different ways. So for Sharif, if you see, he's got 3 generations ka aging, from a young man to a middle-aged man to an old man, right? And our director Bipin sir and our makeup man Vikram Gaikwad, what brilliant! Like, I think actors do nothing on a set. They come, they read their lines, they just deliver the lines. It is all these other people who, right? They do their homework so well, right? From thinking, "Arey, ye aise dekhna chahiye is time pe," to making it happen. Saris, Mera, and costumes of everybody else needed to be of the time of independence, because it is based, ek era ko define karta hai. Then makeup-wise, I aged, but they gave us dentures. And I was like, hello, sir, what are we doing? This and nahi, dentist ke paas jana hai, dentures banane, because as you age, your lower jaw kind of becomes a little prominent and a little broader, right? I said, I don't know how this is going to make any difference. White ball they did, but unlike other people and other films and web series where they just give you white hair and little dark circles, they did not give us any white hair. They just gave us dark circles. They gave us thoda sa wrinkles and dentures, which really, trust me, it's only when you see it, because when you see us young and you see us old, we are not really aging. We are the same when we shoot it. But it is so evident that there is a change. And the change is a little hack that has happened inside. It is amazing. What amazing people. What kya dimag hai. I'm a fan of it. And with Sharif, I'll tell you, there was this that major scene, emotional scene, jo mera tha, where I have a fight with him and say, "Mera bachcha kahan hai," and all that. So since afternoon, Bipin sir came and said, "Aaj raat ko wo scene shoot karenge." I was like, hello, this is the only scene which is my scene, performance oriented and all that, and I'm so nervous. So Bipin sir gave me examples of, unki life mein, if he had seen something like this, and he said, try and connect it to some loss that you have experienced in life. So actor's job is really very difficult because you have this one scene which is not yours. I mean, it's a make-believe situation.
Right.
But you have to put in the emotion like it has really happened to you. So you connect it with an emotion that has caused you grief in a similar pattern. But dialogues तो उल्टा बोल रही हूँ ना मैं, ये जो make believe dialogues बोल रही हूँ. So to still keep मेरा जो loss है with the dialogues connected, because halfway through the scene I can also lose the emotion with what I'm saying and what I was feeling.
Right.
It is tough. So वो scene के बीच में we did one long shot and then we were going to do the close-up. So they said, side mein baith jao. Sharad being Sharad, I sat with Sharad and he's like joking and are ye wo. Seeing him, I also started laughing. तो वो जो थोड़ा सा भी emotion मैंने पकड़ के रखा था कि मेरा close-up है and I need to really do good. I lost that because I'm laughing. I lost the thread of the emotion. And I look at Sharif on the side. Sharib is taking a walk and he's very serious and he's thinking, because close up here. I'm saying, Flora, you're such an idiot. Look at Sharib, what a brilliant actor. That's why he is Sharib. And everybody wants to have Sharib in their, in the web series. He's so brilliant. I can go on. And you have to see this film for Sharib. He is so good. I'm so proud that, I don't even have words. This is a Sharib's film, and he has just done his work par excellence. You have to watch it for Sharib. Binge.
The way you have described the film and the process that you have gone through, I am definitely very excited. Like, let me tell you, it was so exciting to just hear you say how the transformation happened for the character and how you guys went through it. That was absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to the film. Of course, I am. And this also kind of answers my question as to why you signed the film. It sounds so amazing from here. I can understand you, like one reading and you were convinced that you have to do the film.
No, but I'll tell you something. At the time that Bipin sir asked me to do the film, I was shooting an ad for him. So while we were shooting the ad, he asked me, it was a 2-day shoot for the advertisement. On the second day, he said, I'm shooting a film. Would you like to, be a part of it? Trust me, there was no reason why I would say no. A, I didn't have any other work. B, having worked with Bipin sir for the ad, you also knew what kind of a person he is, his sensibility. Just if you look at Bipin sir, also he's this father figure who, even after we shot Darban, and before the release, जितना भी हमने काम किया है, me, Sharad तो sir has a very long association with. He would always call. He will watch all your work. He will call you every time. ये तूने क्यों किया ये? या ये बहुत अच्छा किया. He'll always give you the feedback. And I think very few people like that you meet who take you under the umbrella and treat you like family. कि नहीं, please अच्छा काम करो. Don't make mistakes. All that you get that from him.
Right. Absolutely. We are absolutely looking forward to watching this. Let me tell you, I am, and I'll be surely watching this. Now, coming back to the point where you said that this film would also prove that you have range because it would break from that mold of glamorous roles that you have generally been seen. But you were also there in Stree, and it wasn't glamorous.
People, I tell you, वो क्या बोलूं मैं? So when I did Stree, they told me, all my best of friends, अरे क्यों किया? I said, क्यों किया मतलब? It's 100 crore की film होगी. Now also you telling me क्यों किया? I said title role, 100 crore film, such a beautiful film. They're saying नहीं तेरा शक्ल नहीं दिखा, शक्ल नहीं दिखा. क्या मतलब? I said अच्छा. Then I did गंदी बात. Because in Gandhi Baat, you can't tell me shakal. There was nothing left to imagine. Like I showed my body, I showed my face. There was nothing left. So I said, अब नहीं बोलना, ये नहीं दिखा. Only because Gandhi Baat also did super duper well. The season 2.
Exactly.
The flip side of doing something which people love is that they can't see you do anything. Like Jo Ram, I'm forgetting the actor's name who played Ram in Ramayan. He only got cast in Ram's role. He stopped getting other work, right? And
like nobody
so many actors. Jo Inspector played the same.
Nobody can even think of casting him as a villain.
Yeah. And there's so many actors who just get, people like them in one role, and then the whole industry says, हाँ भाई इनको तो ऐसे ही cast करो. It is a compliment, but then I have said no to so much work in last 2 years post Gandhi Baat, wanting different and telling them, listen, I did Stree, I did Dhanak, I did done good body work in South, and I want kuch to different. There was Begum Jan, there is variety. Please go watch and then give me something where I can do something different. So that tussle is still going on, but again, like I said, I'm so happy Darban is coming at this time where I needed to change लोगों की memory. I think what they see is what last जो देखेंगे ना, उसी में stuck हो जाते हैं. So I hope post this, they don't offer me mother roles, but they offer me serious roles and performance roles.
hoping for that, because we would love to see you more varieties of role. Also, how many times, like, this is, I know, a very silly question, but how many times have people told you in real life, oh Stree Kalana?
many times. Even audition का एक हमारा आराम नगर में there is this place, वहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है, O Stree तो नहीं, O actors कल आना. So that तो, and even when I walk into O Stree, when I used to go to ads के auditions, the minute they would see me, say, "Oh, Stree, कल आना." मैंने कहा आ गई हूँ, अभी तो audition ले लो. So we had a blast with that one-liner, and I'm so happy that Stree happened. Shakal dikhi nahi dikhi, but I totally own it. It is one of my best works, and I had a blast. And so is Darwan. We had a blast. The unit, choti unit, but बहुत प्यारी. They're just like family.
Right, absolutely. Also, there had been news, like, I know this is shifting a little bit from Darban, but there had been news of sequel for Stree. Is that true, or is it just a rumor?
There should be a sequel. I remember jab Stree finished, there is, they've left that, it's an open ending. So they've left that sequel ka feel. So there should be a sequel, but I really don't know when, and when, how, where, who's writing it, and what is happening. I really have no
clue. Okay. Also, Flora, can you tell us about your upcoming projects?
Okay, so there is Porushpur releasing on Alt and Z5 on the 29th of December. Then there is City of Dreams season 2 and Inside Edge season 3 that will be coming out soon. Usko thoda time hai, but yeah.
Wow. So you have like 2 releases back to back in December. That's a very great end to 2020 for you.
Yeah. I mean, think about it. Now that you've said it, I mean, I'm thinking really hard. Wow. I never thought 2020 will end on this note. Yeah, I'm really happy.
Yeah, because 2020 has been such a difficult year for everyone, with people having to face lockdown and no work for a lot of people around.
Yeah.
But with 2 releases back to back, that's like great. That's a great feat.
God's been kind. Trust me, I have no, like Darban, कब का release हो जाना चाहिए था. It's releasing now, and I have nothing to do in it. It's none of it is in my hands. So I think it's all in divine timing. कुछ जल्दी release हो रहा है, कुछ पहला अब release हो रहा है, but it's all good.
Yes, divine intervention, as they say.
Yeah.
So also Flora, since we are in December, because it's already 2nd December, can you summarize 2020? How has the year been for you? What had been your ups and downs this year?
Wow. So it's been a year that's taught you a lot. For me personally, I am a homebody, so I was really happy that everybody gets to be home. I think everybody needed that break because people were running so fast. They had no time to stop, pause, breathe, be with family. वो time ही नहीं था. We were chasing money and all of that, and work. So I think this little pause is the universe's way of giving you a little home time. Because of the, हमें नहीं पता, once this lockdown, like 2021, once the vaccines come in, people have already started, stepping out, working, and going full out to work. So we are kind of, but we kind of lost each other. There are people who stay together. कोई सुबह आता है, सुबह जाता है, रात को आता है. So there is really no family time per se. So I think the universe gave a good pause to everybody. Take a break yourself and enjoy the time with the people you love. It was good, and the best thing I loved about the lockdown was how nature revived itself. That was needed, because we have abused, oh God, the air and everything itna buri tarah se. So this is nature's payback basically, or kuch nahi hai. But I still urge people to be home, be safe. A lot of friendships were tested, a lot of a lot of things went on, yeah. And I think it's just been a year of, like, I was reading this quote which said, um, instead of thinking this year, what do I need? What do I have? Instead of chasing this year things to have this year, just stop and appreciate the things that you have. I still haven't said it right, but it made so much sense. This is one of those years, just
Yes.
stay put. Thank God for everything.
Absolutely. Wow. That thing that you said about cherishing what we have, that is really important. And that's a very good takeaway that I'm going to follow today. At least think back, take a pause, and think what great things I have in my life. Also, Flora, what are you looking forward to in 2021?
Lot of work. Lot of different work. That's what I'm looking forward to, because people have started, resumed work. They are getting back to making things, and now it's almost like they're recharged. So they're working double steam. So yes, I know a lot of work is happening and will happen 2021 to even more. So I just want to make sure that I'm in that flow and doing more work like everybody else.
Right. Thank you so much. That was the last question. It was absolutely delightful to talk to you. It was so great. Thank you so much for your time. And we are going to definitely watch Darban. Congratulations on the release. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Zinia. It was lovely talking to you, and you have a beautiful name. My compliments to your mom and dad, and you take very good care of yourself. Mwah.
Thank you. It's my grandmom who named me.
Oh, wow. Wow. No wonder. It had to be the sweetest.
Yes. Thank you so much. I'm blushing. Thank you.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye.